Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with Teachable, complete guide step by step clearly. To start optimizing your online courses with Teachable, first log into your Teachable account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the courses section on your dashboard. Select the course you want to optimize. Begin by reviewing your course curriculum. Ensure that your modules and lectures are logically organized. Use clear, descriptive titles for each lecture to enhance clarity. Next, focus on creating high-quality content. Utilize various formats such as videos, quizzes, and readings to engage students. Consider breaking longer videos into shorter segments to maintain student interest. Add subtitles to your videos for accessibility and improved comprehension. Now, turn your attention to your course descriptions. Write compelling descriptions that clearly outline what students will learn. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve your course's discoverability. Next, optimize your pricing strategy. Analyze competitors' pricing and adjust accordingly to attract potential students. Consider offering discounts or promotions to encourage enrollment. Now, let's look at your course design. Use Teachable's theme options to make your course visually appealing. Incorporate images and graphics to enhance the learning experience. Next, enable engagement features within your course. Encourage student interaction through discussion forums and feedback. Create assignments that require students to apply what they've learned. Now, focus on marketing your course effectively. Use Teachable's built-in email marketing tools to reach out to potential students. Consider creating a lead magnet, such as a free mini-course, to attract interest. Set up tracking tools to measure your course's performance. Utilize analytics to identify areas for improvement. Based on these insights, adjust your content and marketing strategies as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.